President Donald Trump is nominating acting National Endowment for the Arts chairperson Marianne Carter to continue in the gig for a 4-year term. Carter was named acting chair last June, replacing Barack Obama's appointee Jane Chu. Carter's selection by Trump was decried by some in the arts community because of her lack of experience in arts management. She had previously worked with Trump's election campaign and had worked as chief policy advisor for conservative Florida Governor Rick Scott. Despite Carter's background in political consulting, critics dismissed her as a dance mom. Her daughter had a history of dancing competitively. The appointment to a 4-year term must be confirmed by the Senate. Congress has passed a $155 million appropriation for the 2018-19 fiscal year, despite the Trump administration's repeated attempts to provide no funding for the NEA.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.